In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable always on display on your Apple Watch SE series. The Apple Watch SE both first and second generation doesn't have an always on display feature. That's only available on higher models like Apple Watch Series 5 and later and the Apple Watch Ultra. So on your Apple Watch SE, the screen already turns off automatically when not in use. And there's no settings to disable always on because it doesn't exist on that model. But you can change your Apple Watch SE screen lock settings. To do that, press the crown to go to your app library. From app library, you have to open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on brightness and display brightness. In here, you tap on wake duration, and here you have to select 15 seconds instead of 70 seconds. So select here 15 seconds. Thanks for watching.